Among the Igbo people, long life and good health are not just wishes. They are daily prayers. Through kola nut rituals, Chukwu and the ancestors are invoked for blessings of long life, good health, wisdom, and prosperity. In Igbo culture, the aged are not just seen as elderly. They are revered as living libraries of knowledge and history. The respect shown to the older generation is woven into the fabric of daily life. This respect goes beyond words. In the Igbo communities, there's a tradition commonly referred to as Itunru, a special right given to the oldest member of a community. When cattle, goats, or rams are slaughtered, the oldest man is honored with a hind limb, the leg, as a symbol of respect. Similarly, the oldest woman receives a comparable honor among the women, underscoring the cultural value placed on age and experience. The elderly aren't just respected, they're sought out for wisdom, serving as pillars of our communities and guiding us with timeless and invaluable lessons. The honor given to the aged is more than just tradition. It's a way of life, a commitment to acknowledging the value of experience and the strength that comes with every passing year. To honor the elderly is to honor the very essence of our heritage, a way of honoring the ancestors.